Hey everyone! In the ever-competitive world of ultra-premium smartphones, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represent two distinct philosophies of innovation and refinement. Huawei continues to push the limits of mobile imaging and hardware engineering under the weight of global restrictions, while Samsung leverages its mature software ecosystem and industry leadership to deliver one of the most polished Android experiences to date. Visually, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra refines its predecessor's aesthetic with elegance and precision. The frame is smoothly contoured, giving the phone the feel of a polished stone in hand. Its unique ceramic-coated back in glossy black or gold creates a mirror-like surface, offering a truly premium tactile experience. The camera bump remains top left, slightly larger but neatly integrated. A surprising design decision is the relocation of the fingerprint sensor to the side power button. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra, on the other hand, embraces a more subtle evolution. The sharp corners of the S24 Ultra are now slightly rounded, making the phone easier to hold. The titanium frame is flatter and marginally slimmer, reducing weight and improving in-hand comfort. While the phone retains its iconic boxy silhouette and S Pen slot, the stylus has seen a downgrade with the removal of key wireless features like air gestures. Huawei equips the Pura 80 Ultra with a vibrant 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display, boasting a peak brightness of 3000 nits. The four curved edges give the illusion of a borderless design. The screen is protected by Kunlun Glass 2, known for its extreme durability and resistance to cracks. Samsung responds with a slightly larger 6.9-inch QHD plus OLED panel that delivers superb clarity, color accuracy, and outdoor readability, thanks to Gorilla Armor 2 and anti-reflective enhancements. LTPO tech ensures fluid 120 Hz, refresh with efficient power scaling down to 1 Hz. Huawei's Pura 80 Ultra runs on the Kirin 9020. While it can't match the raw GPU horsepower of its Snapdragon rivals, it offers competitive CPU performance and improved thermal design, likely due to internal space gained from its innovative dual-focal telephoto structure. Samsung arms the S25 Ultra with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. It sets benchmark records, particularly in CPU tasks, and holds its own in gaming, although throttling under long loads can occur. This is where the Pura 80 Ultra shines brightest. Its most significant innovation is the switchable telephoto system, with two fixed focal lengths, 3.7x and 10x, using a movable prism and a shared sensor. The 1-inch main sensor, now made domestically, retains a variable aperture and is tuned for exceptional detail, dynamic range, and low light performance. Even the ultra-wide sensor at 40 megapixels is optically capable. Samsung sticks with a more traditional quad-camera setup, but still makes notable gains. The 200 megapixels main sensor delivers sharp, detailed shots, and the upgraded 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera introduces a brighter aperture for better low-light performance. Huawei packs a massive 5,700 mAh battery in the Pura 80 Ultra, surpassing most flagships. It supports 100-watt wired charging, 80-watt wireless, and even reverse charging. This translates to incredibly fast top-ups and all-day endurance, a rare combination that few other phones match. Samsung's 5,000 mAh battery is tried and tested. It still offers excellent longevity, nearly 15 hours of screen-on time in real-world tests, but is capped at 45-watt wired charging. Wireless and reverse wireless charging are present, but the slower charging speeds are starting to feel dated next to Chinese competitors. Both the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra are triumphs of modern smartphone engineering, but they reflect contrasting priorities. Huawei focuses on pioneering camera technologies, massive battery life, and material refinement, delivering a phone that feels revolutionary, especially in the realm of mobile photography. Samsung, meanwhile, offers a balanced, highly refined flagship that excels in display quality, software longevity, and AI-driven user experience. The S25 Ultra may lack groundbreaking hardware innovations, but it compensates with maturity, polish, and ecosystem strength. If mobile photography and standout engineering are your top priorities, the Pura 80 Ultra is a compelling, even thrilling choice. But for those who want a more universally accessible, reliable, and long-term flagship with deep software support, the Galaxy S25 Ultra continues to set the bar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you soon.